table and the want is turned away. There is singing and laughter as the hours go by, but the house comes to singing as the Father sadly cries. My house is full, but my field is empty. Who will go and work for me today? It seems my children all wants to stand around the table, but no one wants to work in my field. No one wants to work in my field.
Rush away from the table, look out through the window pane. Just beyond the house of plenty lies a field of golden grain, and it's ripe unto harvest. But the reapers, where are they?
In the house, oh, can't the children hear my Father sadly say? My house is full, but my field is empty. Who will go and work for me today? It seems my children all wants to stay around the table, but no one wants to work in my field.